What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on FTT, also known as FTX token, which has had a huge increase in value earlier this morning, hitting $2.89. However, since then it has taken a slight dip and has dropped down to $2.18 right now, and it is still up over 56%, so it is performing quite well. But what is next for the crypto? Is it going to keep dropping? Is it going to pump up further? That's what we're going to be looking at in today's video over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and for the rest of 2024. What can we expect from FTX token? Is it a crypto to be investing into, or should you keep away from it? And also going into 2025, is this a good crypto to be holding on to? So, and again guys, before I go any further, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So here we have a note from CoinMarketCap. The FTX bankruptcy proceedings are underway. The FTT token no longer has any use and may be liquidated by the estate by pay creditors. Please proceed with caution. However, this message has been on the website or on CoinMarketCap for at least the last 8 to 10 months. So what we're going to do now is go into the candlestick pattern chart and do some analysis using this Fibonacci scale, as well as the MACD indicator, which I will take out very shortly. However, you guys can see the crypto did go through a major crash here earlier on into late 2022 and is still trading in the red zone. However, for it to get out of the red zone into the green zone, it is going to take quite a while, as it needs to head over $6.80, which I'm not expecting it to do at the moment. So again, let's hide the Fibonacci scale and bring out the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and they are indeed looking quite steep as well, looking quite bearish. However, this is not as realistic as it seems. The reason is looking quite steep, heading towards the bearish direction, is because of the drop that's been taking place over the last couple of hours here, going from $2.89 to a minimum of about $1.94 in the last few hours, and then pumping back up right now. So yes, it has been quite volatile, but more off on the red side and on the green side earlier this morning. So yes guys, it's been up and down. So over the next 12 to 14 hours in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday, I'm expecting FTX token to have dropped down in value lower than where it is at the moment. Trading just over $2 is where I'm expecting FTX token to be trading at in the early hours of tomorrow to tomorrow midday. However, do expect green candles in between as well. It is likely to hit around $2.25 before it starts to hit red candles in the early hours of tomorrow. So yes, do expect it to be quite volatile, but of course being more on the red side. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? So over the next 7 to 8 days, towards the end of next week, FTX token, we still have the blue and the orange line looking quite bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and that is exactly what I'm expecting as well, for the crypto to be dropping down further down than where it is at the moment, potentially heading down to around $1.50 is where I'm expecting FTX token to be trading at by the end of next week. Reason for that is, yes, it has gone through a major pump right now. However, over the last week or so, the crypto has not been performing too well. Yes, it has been gaining value, but not that much compared to how the crypto market has been performing, especially how Bitcoin has been performing. FTX token has not been following a similar pattern, so I'm expecting more red candles from this crypto over the coming week. Dropping down to $1.50 is where I'm expecting it to be trading around. Now, Moving on to the daily chart now, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking a little bit too steep to be realistic, so it is not realistic, because the only reason it's looking so steep is because of the major pump that took place this morning. However, over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, mid to late November 2024, I'm expecting FTX token, yes, to be trading at a higher value than where it will be by the end of next week. Around $2 is where I'm expecting the crypto to be trading at by the end of by the end of November. Reason for that is I'm also expecting the crypto market to be going for a major increase in value potentially over the next few weeks, and that would also involve FTX token pumping up in value to around $2 is what my expectations are at the moment. However, if there are any changes to that, I will let you guys know as soon as possible. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But at the moment, do expect it to be quite volatile, especially after the major pump that took place earlier this morning. It is more than likely going to go for a price correction over the coming days, meaning dropping down in value as mentioned earlier. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. So we are still trading in the red zone, and as explained at the beginning of the video, it is unlikely for it to get out of the red zone anytime soon. I'm not expecting it even by the end of the year for it to break out. Reason being is it is not realistic. And yes, I did mention in the thumbnail, can FTX token hit $10? That is because in my previous update on this crypto, a lot of people have been saying FTX token can hit $10 by the end of the year, which I'm not expecting it to do so, as it will require a major increase in value, which I'm not expecting at the moment. However, let me know in the comment section down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to head to in 2024. Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And again, going back into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 60% in the last 24 hours and 67% in the last month itself. However, we can see most of the increase did come from literally just over the last 24 hours. And again, we can also see the trading volume has gone up over 3,100% up in the last 24 hours, making it up to $290 million, guys. Reason for that is once again the major increase that's taken place, and it is dropping back down. But yeah, that is pretty much it for today's video, guys. Just an update on FTX token. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and I'll catch you guys all in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.